Hello guys, welcome back to AppGeeker channel. In today's video, we're going to tell you how to reset your locked iPhone without iTunes. If you want to factory reset your iPhone but forget the passcode, or you just get your iPhone disabled, or you've got a second-hand iPhone and want to turn it into a brand new one, here are 2 ways to reset iPhone without passcode or iTunes. Before you start, there is one thing you must know that factory resetting will erase all your data, including the screen passcode on the device, due to the iPhone privacy policy. So, let's begin. The first way to reset your locked iPhone quickly is to use the tool, iPhone Unlocker. All you need is a computer and a lightning cable. Step 1. Go to appgeeker.com. Choose iPhone Unlocker and download the firmware. Or you can also click the first link below this video. It will lead you to the download page too. Step 2. Launch iPhone Unlocker on your computer. Click Wipe Passcode. Then click Start. Step 3. Connect your locked iPhone to the computer in its recovery mode, so that the computer can recognize it. If you don't know what recovery mode is, just follow the on-screen instructions. For example, if you have an iPhone 11, power it off first. Then quick press the volume up, and quick press the volume down, and then keep holding the side button. Don't let it go when you see the Apple logo. Keep holding the side button until you get this Connect to Computer screen on your phone. Then confirm your device information and click Start to a downloading page. It may take a few minutes. Please wait patiently. Step 4. After the downloading process is done, the unlock page will show up. Now enter 0000 and click Unlock. When the unlocking process circle reaches 100%, congratulations! Your iPhone has been factory reset successfully. And you can restore your iPhone now. And the other method to reset your iPhone without iTunes is to use Find My iPhone on iCloud. But this way only works for those who have enabled Find My iPhone on the locked device, and it will also need your Apple ID and password. First, use another device like iPad or MacBook, and go to iCloud.com. Log in the same Apple ID on your locked iPhone. Click Find My, and it will show you a map. Click All Devices, and choose the locked iPhone. Select Erase option, and confirm it. Later you can get your locked iPhone factory reset. So today we've got 2 methods to factory reset iPhone without passcode or iTunes. If this video helps, please give us a like, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.